Hi, it's another unboxing video and I have Feel Unique. So this is my May's Feel Unique box. There you go, that's how it arrives. I'll try and open it slowly, but generally all the items fall out when I do this. There. I'm squeezing the bottom and as you can see they are dying to drop out. So this is the Pick and Mix, the sample service, and I have got 5 samples inside here which I'll show you in a little while. As always, if you're new to Feel Unique, I'll just give you a little bit of a lowdown about what it is. Now Feel Unique is an online retail store that sells everything beauty. So it's not a subscription box and it's a sample service that you can dip in and out of whenever you want. So say for instance you order on the 1st of May, you won't be able to order any more samples until the 1st of June. So you can do it monthly, but you can't do it any more frequently than that. It costs £3.95 and you can choose up to 5 samples. Now when you click on the Feel Unique website, you will see at the top samples. Click on that, that'll drop down and then you'll see Pick and Mix. So that'll bring you up to the page. You have, I'd say, about 4 different pages of samples that they have. They do change things up. They do have a lot of items that have been there for months and months because I've been doing this now for nearly a year, but they do have new items. So on the side you're able to specifically pinpoint items that you're more interested in. So if it's makeup, skincare, hair care, fake tan, SPF, all that, that'll all be down there. So you can navigate it to suit your own needs then. I tend to just click on new items, so it shows up all the new items that have come out and then I have a really good look. If I'm stuck, because sometimes I am stuck to what to get, I don't have to get them, but I like to get them to do the videos to show you, but also there is always something that will come in handy. So if I'm completely stuck and there's not much items I fancy, I'll always opt for perfumes, and I have had like 5 perfume samples before, which is always a good thing because it's always nice to try new perfumes or to get samples of perfumes that I know I love, so it's just handy to put in my handbag or something. So yeah, so it can be hit and miss, but it's worth checking out, and it's worth checking out regularly to see what the new items are in, because I've had some amazing samples. I think my very best box I had is from my January video. Oh, it's just amazing products, really good, but you have to be quick because I think they sell out of the better items. Like for instance the Benefits, is it Goof Proof? I can't remember the name now. I think it's Goof Proof. They had the travel version which would cost you £10. That was one of the samples in my box, so yeah, it was really good. I also have a refer a friend code which I'll link down below. It entitles you to £10 off your very first purchase on the website, but you have to spend £30 or more. So if you have a look at the website and you see a few items takes your fancy, then you're welcome to use my code. I also get £10 off a £30 spend as well, so it's like we both get something in return. But if that doesn't take your fancy, then don't worry, I'll link it down below anyway. So the samples cost you £3.95, which is such a bargain, but you get that money back. You get it in credit form. So if you were to make a purchase on Feel Unique, and it doesn't matter for how much, what you buy, etc., that £3.95 goes back onto your account, so you can use it to take off your purchase. Plus you can save that, I think you can save 2 or 3 up. I think it's 2. So what is £3.95? Call it 8 quid. £7.90, yeah, that's the one. £7.90. If you save 2 months in a row, you can have £7.90 off something, which is so good, you know, because you're essentially getting the samples for free. So that's why I like Feel Unique. So for this month, I had a bit of a dilemma. Not a bad one obviously, but I wasn't sure what to pick and choose. There's a lot of benefit items on there at the moment, but it is very sampley ones. So it's like cards with creams on. It's not actual like the eyebrow Goof Proof, you know, that you can actually buy for £10. None of those type of samples are on there. So I was looking around thinking, oh, would I try this? Should I try that? And then I ended up looking at Clarins products. Now I've tried a Clarins primer from Feel Unique and I thought it was amazing. It was so lovely. So I started looking at all the Clarins range of samples, and the sample sizes were quite good. They were like 5 mils and above. So I thought, oh, that'd be so handy to get a whole mini skincare set. So I went for a set. I went for a cleanser, makeup remover, toner and a moisturiser or a night cream, I can't remember now. But yeah, so I'm really impressed with what I got. I haven't tried it yet, but I will do. And my thinking is that I will take these on my trip to Italy in a couple of weeks' time. So I'll give them a little go, and if I like them, I'll pop them in my cabin bag and take them on holiday. So let's get them and show you. So those are 4 items that I got, the Clarins items. Ooh. and then I got one benefit item. So I'll show you the benefit item first actually. So the benefit item is a pore minimizing makeup, and it's the Pore Professional. So perfect coverage and 5 makeup shades. And I haven't tried this before. That's what that looks like there. If you can see there, that's what that's like there. I've seen it, but I've never tried it. And it says it claims to give 8 hours of pore minimizing makeup, long wear, matte finish, weightless, buildable coverage. So I've had the Pore Professional before, the blue tube one. So I thought, oh, I'll get this just to see what it's like, to see and compare the difference. But what I like about it is that you get a little sponge. That is so cute. So you get a little sponge, and then you get like a blister pack there of the, what is it? It's a primer. I would say it's a primer. Is it? Pore minimizing makeup. Or is it a foundation? I don't know. What's it say? Well, it's in 5 shades, so I don't know too much about it. I'm wondering if it's like a foundation then, or unless it is like a primer, a tinted primer. I'm not sure. So what shade did I go for? I went for 3. So it just looked closer to what my skin tone is. It might look a little bit dark on there. But no, so I'll give that a go, see what that's like. And if I find out what it is, I will let you know down below. Primer, foundation, I don't know. So that's my first item. So going on to the Clarins. So the first one I got is an eye makeup remover. So this is the Demoquillant Express. I'm not sure I said that right. So Demoquillant Express. And it's an instant eye makeup remover, waterproof and heavy makeup, and it's a 10ml little bottle. Oop, hold on, there you go. So it's a 10ml little bottle. So it looks pretty cool, very similar to the eye makeup remover we had in our glossy box with the 2-tone. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then I had a cleansing milk. So this is cleansing milk, alpine herbs, moringa, anti-pollution for normal and dry skin. And this again is a 10ml little bottle there. I want to smell it actually. No, that smells just nice and fresh. Nope, there you go, it's a little bottle there. Then I got a skin toner. So this is the toning lotion with chamomile, alcohol free, normal to dry skin. And this is 10ml as well. See this, so handy little sizes, aren't they? And there's enough there because you don't need a lot of skincare products on your face. There's enough there to give you a really good idea about what the products are like and whether your skin likes the products or not, don't they? So the last item is an age control extra firming night cream. So it's wrinkle control regenerating night cream, and this is in 5ml. So it's smaller, it comes in a little tub like that, box I mean. It's a smaller one, so there's that there. So no, so those are all my items, so I'm quite chuffed with them. I'm chuffed that I've got like a set, a skincare set, a makeup remover, cleanser, toner and a night cream as well. So no, I quite like those, and I've been eyeing this up for a while, so it'd be interesting to see what this Benefit Pore, what's it called? Pore minimizing makeup. It's like. So those are all my items. Yeah, there's always something to find on there, always. And worst case scenario, perfumes. You can't go wrong with perfumes, so that's what I like doing anyways. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I have got quite a lot of videos lined up, so I'm going to see if I can get a few out now on the weekend and then quite a few next week. So yeah, so look out for those. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.